Hello everyone, welcome to TND Learning, your trusted platform to learn SAP SD. We have covered the delivery type in this series where delivery type has been covered in 3 parts. 2 parts are already published. This is part 3. Okay, so in part 1 and part 2 we have understood that how we have to open the delivery type, like T code for it is OVLK, from which directly it can be opened, or another option is the SPRO, right? From SPRO, once you are using SPRO, then you don't have to enter the OVLK T code, right? You have to enter here SPRO. So once you will enter the SPRO, IMG screen will open, right? In IMG screen, you have to click on the logistic execution, then shipping, then deliveries, and finally you have to click on this execution button, define delivery type. So in this way you can come to the same screen which is coming directly with OVLK. So this is the direct T code and this is the menu path. We have covered it. Secondly, we have covered it. For example, if we are in this screen right after OVLK and we want to open the delivery type LF, but here entire screen we cannot see the delivery type LF, then we have to click on this position. Then this pop-up opens. Here we can enter the delivery type LF like here, and then finally this LF delivery type will come on top. So now to open the overview screen where you can see the controls, you have two options, right? Either you have to select here, right? You have to select here and click on this details icon, right? Or another option is just double click here, right? Double click on LF or outbound delivery, so it will open exactly this screen, right? This is the display delivery type where we have covered what is this code, what is this description, what is document category, right? Document category tells ki what type of document it is, whether it is for this inquiry, or it is quotation, or it is order, or it is invoice, or with J we can see here this is the delivery. That is the categorization of the document type. And we have also learned here that number range, right? So we had understood that number range is a technique where in this number range code actually we have defined one number range. Okay, that number range is code is the 17. For example, this 17 is having the number range from 17,001 to 17, I can say like 4 times 9, right? So this 17, if I am assigning, it means ki all the delivery document which will be created, that will be coming in this range. Document number will be in this range from here to here, right? Now because these two are almost similar, only difference is the internal external. So we had understood that internal means ki a system will automatically give the number in this range, and external, for example, if 17 same was assigned here also instead of 04, then again system is facilitated, actually system is giving the facility to give the delivery number manually, but range should be from 17 17 4 times 0 till 17 4 times 9, right? This we have understood. And apart from it, we have understood ki another thing which is item number increment. So item number increment, I had told ki this is the delivery document. Delivery headers are having some information which is applicable throughout the delivery, and delivery items are having the details of the materials which is being delivered in these deliveries. For example, material 1 and material 2. So these materials are having some serial numbers that is being created by SAP. So if it is, for example, first serial number is 1, first material is having serial number 1, second material is having the serial number 2, so it is increasing by +1, right? Again, next material, if it will be material 3, then it will be third serial number. But if you are entering here 10, it means ki material 10 will be M1, 20 will be M2, and 30 will be M3, right? So this is usage of it. That also we had covered, and we had covered what is the order required, right? So we had understood that order required means once you are going to create a delivery document, then it checks key delivery is having their existing document or not, right? Or in better term we can say, once you are creating the delivery will not be created until and unless this order or PO whatever you have entered here, like currently it is X, means sales order, means if sales order will not be there, then delivery cannot be created, right? And we have understood that in this drop down here, in this drop down we have multiple options like purchase order and sales order, you can already see, and it was blank also. So in the with the blank, it was allowing to create the delivery without any reference. With sales order, it will allow to create the sale delivery with reference to sales order only. If it is the PO, it means ki delivery will be created with reference to purchase order. I'm just repeating it whatever we have covered in the part 1 and part 2, right? So that in this video itself we can cover all, and you can revise your part 1 and part 2 also. For more details, please visit part 1 and part 2 also. Because I'm repeating, that's why I'm going little faster here. Okay, so next field we had discussed default order type. So what I had said, there are some scenario, for example STO, right? So PO is getting created, then delivery is getting created, and then invoice is getting created, and finally GRN is done. This is the process flow, you should know, right? So here delivery is this one, right? So delivery has been created, either it has been created with reference to sales order or purchase order or without any reference. So answer is with reference to purchase order. This delivery is being created with reference to purchase order. It means ki delivery is not having sales order, right? It's not having sales order. So in SAP there are some control which is available in the order type only. Okay, that way delivery performs. Okay, I'm giving this example why. It means ki delivery should be having some purchase order, some sales order. Okay, but this is the cycle, or this is the process where it starts from PO and ends at GRM, this entire process. Here there is no order, right? So for that, system says okay, by default I'm keeping it DL. It means if you want to see any reference control for this delivery, you can check with order type DL, which is being assigned. That is the usage of it, this one. Okay, if you are not understanding it, once you will see the process and you will the configuration of the STO process, you will understand it better way, right? And after that we had understood what is item requirement. So I had told item requirement, it is having the options, for example 202 and 201. 202 says ki delivery will allow only those materials and quantity which is in the order. Okay, or you can say reference document, right? Reference document means through which delivery has been created. For example, order to delivery. In KS to O2C process, O2C process says it starts from the order, delivery, and then billing. This is the simple process, right? So this delivery is having the reference of the order, right? So it tells ki once you are creating the delivery, then delivery will allow maximum those materials, number of materials, and those number of quantities which are already in the orders. Beyond this, system will not allow. Okay, but if you are selecting 201, then system is allowing. That is the usage of this item requirement, right? We have already covered this one also, which we have revised now. Now we had understood what is the storage location rule. So it is actually just assignment. There is one storage location. We had understood there are three basically storage location rule, like MALA, RETA, and MARE, right? MARE is the combination of this MA, and RE means it is combination of both. So these are three rules. So that is another topic, right? Another topic, but here we are assigning it just to tell the system that when delivery document LF will be created, then at that time this storage location rule mala will be applied. Now whatever it is written in the mala rule, that will work as storage location determination in this delivery document type, right? Till here we had studied. Now we will study next to it, right? So that is the output determination procedure. So let us study this. These things are little deeper. So here if you will see, there is the determination procedure, right? Written, it is determination procedure. So mostly wherever determination procedure is written, for example in this document, for example, see, this is the determination procedure, right? And you can see this is the determination procedure. Mainly you can see here there are three determination procedures. This is also, but this is not procedure, it is determination only. So three determination procedure. One is for output. Output, what is output, do you know? So let me tell you, output is the printout in SAP, you can say printout. See, if you are creating any order for the customer, then if they ask you that give me the printout of the order which I have given, then to take the printout, this you need output, okay, in SAP terminology, right? Now same way, if delivery document is created, for example LF delivery type document has been created, now customer is asking the give me the delivery printout, so it means the output. That's why, so that output, how it will be determined, that is written here, output determination procedure. Let me take this example also, text determination procedure. See, once text delivery document has been created, okay, now customer wants to give customer is giving some additional information, or for your plant or storage location or for your company you want additional information, okay. In that case, this delivery document, for example, is not having standard field. Standard field, what mean to say? For example, this is one screen where this number is in, this is one field, this is one field, this is one field, where you can write any data, you can fill any data, right? These are the fields, right? Every these boxes are fields, even these check boxes also are called fields, okay. So in that delivery document, if any information is coming from the customer, or it is required due to any reason of the business, then these delivery documents we can assign some text, okay. Text means what? If I tell, like, there are notebook during your study time, you have created a notebook, for example this is the mathematics, okay, no, mathematics. Now this entire notebook is already filled, okay, but at the time of exam preparation you are making some notes, so that also you want to keep here. At the same time you don't want to overwrite anything in this notebook, then what you do, you just take an sticky notes, write the information and stick to it. So this sticky note, you can say this is the text, okay. Here I hope you understood, match with this text with sticky notes in your notebook, right? So as many as text, or you can say in this book as many as is required, that many sticky notes you can paste in this notebook, right? Same way in these documents like delivery documents or order documents, you can paste as many as text, okay. So to help you out to put these texts, there is the text determination procedure, okay. This text determination procedure, understood? Text determination procedure. So that text determination procedure, like output determination procedure for printout, text determination procedure is for text, and partner determination procedure is for partner. What does mean by partner determination procedure? Let me explain little bit here. Partner determination procedure. See, determination procedure, and again the same technique will be used. SAP's same technique will be used here also, but now it is not about output, it is not about text, it is about partner, right? So first of all, what is partner? Okay, so see, once any delivery document is created, right, that delivery document has some information like related to the customer. Okay, like this customer maybe, see, in normal ways, if we are going to any shop, okay, let me show here, you are going to any shop, right? As customer you want to purchase, for example, Maggi from there. Okay, you go there and you ask to shop owner that give me Maggi. Okay, so you are giving the order, right? Then you are what? You are giving order means it is being sold to you. You are the sold to party. In SAP terminology, you are sold to party. Now you are saying, "Ki brother, I am purchasing, but this is not especially for me. This is for one of my neighbor. So it will go to another location, not to my home. It will go to my neighbor. For example, my house number is 201, so it will go to the 201 202 Mr. X. Okay, so this Mr. X is ship to party here. Ship to party means a person to whom it will be shipped, means order is given by someone else and it being shipped to another person. At the same time, you say during the order create to this shopkeeper, you say, brother, I will not pay. My father will come in evening, he will pay. Okay, let us take example. Y is your father, right? Then in this case, Y is what? He will pay, it means he is payer. So same customer is taking reference of sold to party as himself, shipped to party as his neighbor, payer as his father. And again he says, okay, bill, you create the bill on name of my mother. Okay, this can happen. I'm just telling the scenario to make you understand that what is the terminology sold to party, what is the terminology payer, what is the terminology ship to party, what is the terminology this bill to party. So mainly a customer has these four partners. Okay, what all? Sold to party, second ship to party where it is going, bill to party to whom it is billed, and payer, right, who is paying for it. So in this case, this is the customer and sold to party was that person himself, ship to party was his neighbor, bill to party his father, and payer was her mother, right? So customer was A itself, but he was, customer code was A and sold to party code was A, also A, ship to party but it was X, bill to party was Y, payer is Z. So this information, that once this customer will come, he can facilitate different partners, different sold to party, different ship to party, different bill to party, different payer. So how system will know, that is another topic entirely, it will be assigned in the determination procedure. That determination procedure is assigned here. Okay, we will see more in detail in another video which is already created um, uh, in this playlist. Okay, so that is related to partner determination procedure. So in this delivery type, how if you summarize the determination procedure, then how output will be determined, how text will be determined, how partner will be determined, these are we can assign in these fields. Sorry, not here. This text determination procedure 0 to output determination v1, this is pasted. You can write any other code also which you have created as a for example output determination procedure, but standard one this one, right? And partner determination procedure. I hope this is clear now. If you have any doubt, you can put on comment. I'll explain there also. Okay, these things we have already studied. Now we have studied this output determination procedure. If you are now, it is if I highlight this, then see, this is the output determination procedure, which is here in this case this one. The same thing which I have explained, it is written here. Now what is, if we talk about, like I said, that partner determination procedure, right? I said text determination procedure, and so in this, what is determination procedure? So I said this determination procedure is used of SAP technique. There is unique SAP technique to get this determined. So that techniques, how it works on the basis of the combination condition table, access sequence, and in case of output determination procedure, it will be the output type. In case of text determination procedure, it will be the text type, right? And like in any other cases, it will be something else. Name will be something else, but the way of working of this is the same. Okay, and procedure is there. Actually, this is the procedure one code only. That code is assigned to which we have seen in LF delivery type, right? You have seen, na? Here, see, these are the codes. This is nothing, just determination procedure. So this is part of, let me show it. This is part of this procedure. So these are condition records, means this is the master data on which these are done. So once we will discuss in detail all the means, I mean to say, this text determination procedure, which I am saying again and again, procedure, partner determination procedure, right, and output determination procedure. Same way, one more is important, that is the pricing determination procedure. Pricing determination procedure. These are separate topics, and very important topics. So if you are not understanding here, no problem. We will discuss in other video. We have in this playlist also, right? So you will understand there. Here you have to understand only that delivery type LF is being assigned for this text determination procedure, this partner determination procedure, this output determination procedure, and pricing is not here. So this is the understanding of it, right? So we have understood the storage location rule, how it is getting assigned, text determination procedure, how it is assigned, output determination procedure, how it is assigned, and these are not much important. Actually, this application V1, V2, V1 means sales, V2 means shipping. So because this is the delivery, so it is shipping. So that's why it is written here V2. V3 is for example billing. So this is the basic, not much important. Partner determination procedure is the important here, how partners are coming in the delivery, we had discussed. Apart from it, this much information is okay. And in very last section, if you'll see, let me show the entire screen of delivery type. From here to here, this transaction flow is little bit important. You should know these two fields, screen sequence group and display range. What it is? Let me show here. Actually, this screen sequence group, see from the name only, the screen which will open of this outbound delivery, you can say simply delivery. This delivery will have some structure, right? Earlier I had told this header, and this is item data. Structure of the delivery type is header data and item data. If this is a delivery document, then here this is the header data and this is the item data, right? So in the header and item, these two sections are there. Then for example, in header data, some information, let me take example. For example, outbound delivery number, then ship to party, right? So these are the fields. For example, there are many more fields. I'm taking two here only to make you understand what is usage of screen sequence group. So see, it is telling ki outbound delivery will be the first, then ship to party will be there, and in this sold to party, for example, will not be there. So this is screen design, right? So how system is knowing that this delivery document LF should look like this, where outbound delivery number will be there, then ship to party will be there, sold to party will not be there. This comes from the SAP defined this screen sequence group. This is the LF. For delivery LF is there. So always it will be the LF only. You don't have to change. Just for information I told what is the screen sequence group. Now display range. In display range you can see the UAL all items, right? If you will click wherever this arrow button is there or F4 is there inside, it means ki there are many more options are there. So if you will click on this arrow, then you will see there are two options, UL all items, UHAU main items. This is the code and this is the description. Wherever you will see in the drop downs or F4, firstly code will be written, then its description will be written, right? So UAL what does? Let us take one example. There are some products, okay? There are some products which are made of parts. Means lonely they are one also called one unit, one material unit, and by combining also they are working as one unit. And simple example means a simple example can be what? Can you tell me? You have understood, right? This is the computer. In the computer, keyboard is one part, right? Screen is, or you can say monitor is one part, then mouse is another part. But by combining all these and many other parts, computer is made. So as a customer we can purchase from the shop one computer, or if we are having our own computer, I just want keyboard, then I can purchase from the company keyboard also only. So here I have taken the example of computer. Why? See, in the computer you are purchasing one unit, but company wants to see wow what all parts has been assembled here. Then it will write ki computer is the main product, right? In this main product, for example, let me take like 10 is the serial number of the computer in the delivery document, right? First material, let me write here. This is the delivery document, okay? This is the header information. Here, first serial number is 10, for example, computer. Now, 10.1, it's not 10.1, sorry. It's a serial number, it will be serial number 11. Let me write with more clarity. This is the header document. This is delivery document. Above one is the header details. In the items, first serial number is 10, which is computer material, right? Material as computer. Then serial number 11. Now see the usage of this we had already studied the item increment where we had kept as 10. So main products will be 10, then 20. So between 10 and 20 you can write the parts, right? So 11 is, for example, CPU. 12 is monitor. and accordingly 13 is, for example, this mouse, 14 is example, for example, processor. So in this way these parts can be seen. But to the customer, maybe customer want to see only this computer. Why he will see the CPU, what are the CPU or what are the monitor? So in the delivery documents there are two options. Either you can display the material like this, or you can display material simply this is the header and serial number 10 as computer. Just this one enough. So this visibility means how, in what cases the parts will also be seen in the delivery, in what cases only main products are visible. So this is the control in delivery document. If display range is the UL all items, it means it will show like this. If it is UHAU main items, then it will show like this. See, main computer is the main item, that's why it's showing this. So this is usage of this display range. So I hope you have understood all the fields which is coming here in the delivery control, right? We have studied all the important fields. In this part 3 we had studied text determination procedure, output determination procedure, screen sequence group, and this display range. With this, now if you will take screenshots of these, okay, in front of you as to practice it and to make it mapped with your mind. So these much information is will suffice your requirement to beat any interview, and as well as it will suffice the requirement which is knowledge requirement which is necessary for an SAP SD consultant. Okay, so I hope you have understood it. So with this part output, this delivery control OVLK is completed. Please, if you don't have any doubt, if you have any doubt, please watch this video as many as time you want. Okay, and if you have any doubt, okay, you are not able to understand, please put on comment. I will be happy to reply all your queries. Okay, and so thank you very much. Thanks for giving me time and making me explain all the controls of delivery type. If you have understood and you have liked, please like it. Your like can support me and can motivate me to create such more content and which can help you. And please do subscribe and share with your friends, with needful who wants to make dynamic career in SAP SD. Okay, so I hope I have tried my best. I hope it is helpful for you. So thank you very much. We'll see in another video. Thanks again.